Go?
Yep, go.
Okay, welcome to Fossil Unboxing with a Difference. So over the last few weeks, we've been opening up fossils to look at them from boxes, and I explore what's there. This time we're doing something different. We're looking at fossils we've made ourselves. 3 days ago, with the help of Jane, we've been boxing up some worms and encasing them in mud, and now the reason we're doing this is to do some experiments to look at what happens when they're buried in sediment and try and look at the microbes that are invading them. But just for today, we're just going to have a look at what it looks like. What does this little worm look like, and is it yet a fossil? So, Jane, should we zoom in and have a little look?
Mm-hmm.
Was it 3 days ago or 4? 3.
3.
Okay, so it's going to be hiding under this mesh. Hey, it's Gaki. Now, oh, I know. Oh, the smell's hitting me. Is the smell hitting you?
No,
No. Okay. Shall I bring it closer?
that's okay.
No, okay. Right, let's get a second scalpel out. Have a little look at what's going on inside. The smell is a lot to deal with. So, it's definitely not a fossil. It's still squishy and mushy, but shall we have a look inside? Content warning, it's grim. Okay, this soft organism is coming out of the mud. So, what can we see? The changes? Well, it's very highly discolored, and all the nice, juicy, clear organic liquids have been replaced by some homogeneous goop. Yep, there's still some guts in there. You can see this little orangey pinky bit. That's a bit of gut. So the gut is still maintaining some of its structural integrity.
See the
But-
gut again?
Sorry?
Can we see the gut again?
See the gut again.
Mm.
Okay, it's more soup than gut, but it is there.
Yeah, I think I can see it.
But that might be a nice source of juicy bacteria that should help with the decomposition. Okay, so welcome to Fossil Unboxing with a Difference. Tune in for more as we may check in at later stages or various stages of decomposition. Enjoy.